Okay, here we got another Commodore Amiga 500 console. It's come into my workshop. It's being checked out by a Commodore expert. It's working well. So this auction on eBay, if you're looking for this computer, is just the console or keyboard console. Comes with no power supply or accessories or something. It's for people who may want to replace a non-working Amiga 500 console in their system and has the rest of the computer. So I'm just going to show it running, show that it boots up as it should. Give it a bit of power. There we go, Workbench 1.2. Probably got some screen flicker there due to my camera's refresh rate. We'll get my test disc, Fun School 2. Put it in the drive there. And off it goes, loading it. So at the Workbench there. Not the fastest loading disk in the world, but it does demonstrate that the disk drive is working as it should be. You can hear it clicking away there. Won't be long now. So there it is, that's our test disc booting up. So if you're after a Commodore Amiga 500, this one's pretty good nick. It's had a little bit of sunburn. There it is, some 25 years old. So, but there you have it. If you're after working one of these with a good disk drive, this is it. Have a look for it on eBay. Thanks for watching.